Hi everyone, my name is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I would like to talk about a frequently asked question regarding how to fill the tax form for non-United States residents. And of course, this tax form is required in some American websites like Zazzle.com, Spreadshirt, Merch, Amazon, and so on. So in this video, we're gonna walk through the process of filling in this tax form, and we will take Zazzle.com tax form as an example to be more clear. So let's go. Okay, and here on Zazzle.com, just to go to your profile picture, okay, and go to my account and go to payment settings, as you see. Okay, and first of all, it's essential that every single data you will write here on your settings must be identical to what you will write on your tax form, like your name, your address, your country, and etc. Okay, so we will write your settings data. We can start with this, your email address for your PayPal account to receive your royalties, to receive your earnings, okay, like this one, PayPal, or you can check this by check. Okay, here payee information, payee name, your name on your Zazzle.com, like Raymond Sapri. Just we can write here Raymond Sapri, okay, and this name you will find here on my account, okay, as you see here, Raymond Sapri, okay, back. Country, you can choose your country from here, okay, from Asia, Europe, Africa, Australia, Spain, Brazil, China, and so on. Okay, for example, we can select Ecuador or Egypt, for example. Here you can write down your address line, your address, street, governorate, your state, and your country. Okay, your city, your state and region, okay, postal code, your mailing address, okay, and here you can write here your phone number. Okay, there in this tax information, I am citizen of course you can choose your previous country. We have chosen Egypt, for example, or Ecuador, Egypt, okay. So here you have to fill this form, W8ben form, okay. So just to go to this, click this blue button, okay. You will find this tax form will pop up, okay, as you see. Here you can write down your tax information, okay. It is editable one, as you see here, okay. So we will go through these parts to fill in this whole tax form. The first paragraph, the part 1, identification of beneficial owner. Here you have to write your name that you have written on your settings, as we said before, okay. So we can type here Raymond Sapri, as you see. Country of citizenship, your country, like Egypt, as we said before, Egypt, okay. Here you write here in number 3, permanent residence address, the address you have written on your settings, okay, like street, suit, governorate, and country, okay. Here in number 4, you can write here your governorate, your city, and your mailing address, like for example Alex, okay, and your postal code, like for example this number, okay. Country, of course, Egypt, okay. Then in this line you can leave it empty. Here you can leave it empty as well. Country empty. Number 5, you can leave this data United States taxpayer identification number, you can leave it empty, okay, as well. Here in 6A, foreign tax identifying number. Here, if you have a tax number in your country, you can put here, or if it is not legally required in your country, just check this, okay, as you see. Okay, here number 7 in this part 1, reference number, the ID of your account on Zazzle.com. So we can go back to Zazzle.com. Okay, here just to go to this my account, and here you can go to this associates or affiliate. Just to go to this yes, enroll me, and here you will find your associate ID. Just copy this alphanumeric code, go back to your form, just Ctrl V, paste. Okay, here number 8, date of birth. In this form, your month, day and year, month, day and year. Okay, and now let's move on to the second part of this form, which is about claim of tax treaty benefits. What does it mean? Normally, taxes take 30% of your income and your earnings. However, if you live in a country that has a tax treaty with the United States, so this percent will decrease down to a certain percent, like 10, 20, 15, and so on, according to this treaty terms. Okay, and to know if your country is on the list of these countries that have a tax treaty with the United States or not, so you can check out these websites. This one, United States Income Tax Treaties, from A to Z, in alphabetical order. As you see here, these countries have tax treaty with United States. For C, China, Canada, Czech Republic, D, Denmark, E, Egypt, Estonia, and so on and so forth. Okay, as you see. And this website, United States Tax Treaty Countries rates this country in alphabetical order, A to Z. This article, okay, rate of deduction 5%, 10%, 0%, and so on. Okay, so go back to this form. Okay, so if you live in country has a tax treaty with the United States, so you have to fill this part. But if your country doesn't have one, you can leave this part empty. Okay, so we can fill in this part, Egypt. So we can write here Egypt. Okay, because Egypt found here, as you see, Egypt or Estonia, Finland, France, Georgia, Germany, Greece, and so on. Okay, Egypt within the meaning of the income tax treaty between the United States and that country. Okay, special rates and conditions. The beneficial owner is claiming the provisions of article and paragraph. Okay, how to find this article and paragraph? Just to go to this website, as you see here, and go to your country, like for example Egypt. Okay, go to this one, income tax treaty, as you see. Okay, and go to second website, and you will find Egypt, this article 13, as you see. Okay, so go back to this website, and you will find this article, okay, for 13, as you see here, for royalties. Just click over that, as you see, for royalties, and you will find this rate. The first paragraph number 1, you will find this rate. Okay, so you can go back to your form, and here you can write your article 13 brackets 1 paragraph, and you can write your rate, as you see here, 13. Go back, as you see. Okay, specify the type of income. Your income is royalties, as you see. Okay, and now let's move on to the third part of this form, which is about certification. Okay, so we can check this box. Okay, as you see here, I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person identified on line 1 of this form. Okay, and here you can put the date of filling this form, like today, for example. Print name of signer, as we said before, Ramon Sapri. Okay, and when you are done, just go to this arrow to download this form with your changes. Okay, we can rename it. Then you have to print this form to sign here in this part with your handwriting. Okay, it is essential that you have to right hand your signature here in this part. Okay, therefore you can take a photo of this form and resend it to Zazzle via this email, as you see here, Zazzle-W8@zazzle.com, or by this fax number. Okay, as you see. And here we reach the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.